talking about Antarctica. And my mom has a few questions to ask me, so
Would you ever like to visit Antarctica, Ethan?
I probably would.
Really?
But
Would you stay long?
no, I wouldn't probably because it's so freezing cold out.
Freezing cold. How about landforms and climate of Antarctica?
Landforms and climate are, well, the temperature is obviously very low and it's never gone above freezing point.
How about the landforms?
The landforms you'll find include glaciers, icebergs, ice caves, ice mountains, and many other things. The terrain mostly consists of 2% barren rock and 98% ice shelf.
Could you point the pictures out for me? Oh, okay, right there.
These are nice. This is a mountain, and here is the bodies of water
Okay.
on the coast around
How about the
Antarctica.
purple and yellow you have there?
If you look close here, the purple and yellow, the lighter the color, or the yellow means it's warmer, and the purple means it's colder.
Okay, how about animals and the ecosystem of Antarctica?
Animals in the ecosystem have lots of blubber, and they include some of them are one of them that are commonly found are seals, walrus, penguins, and killer whales of the coast. There are some birds that also migrate to eat krill.
How about the ecosystem of Antarctica?
A lot of Antarctica is covered for half of the year, and the temperature is near freezing all year. Even though the temperature is very cold, the ocean is filled with microscopic algae, krill, and plankton. Large animals like the seal, whale, and birds depend on this type of food to stay alive. The ocean that are around Antarctica are full of food, and its cycle changes with the seasons.
How about the culture, and are there any fun facts about Antarctica?
There are not much culture in Antarctica because there is not a huge population. I think that the culture mostly consists of scientists and more tourists. Some do have churches to worship in, but not many because of the population being so low. The food that they eat is mostly transported from a supply ship and what they bring with them. Their clothing must have very warmth to keep the people alive. And some fun facts can be the South Pole is obviously in Antarctica.
Mm-hmm.
And Antarctica is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. And interestingly, because it gets so little rain, Antarctica is considered the desert. And some Antarctica comes from Greek, and the name Antarctica comes from the Greek word that means opposite of the north. About 90% of the ice on the earth is found in Antarctica. The sea levels would rise around 60 meters or 200 feet if all the ice in Antarctica would melt.
I see you have March of the Penguins. What is that?
It's if I may say, the National Geographical movie.
Was it made in Antarctica?
Yes, it was.
Cool. How about the location?
Location is 90 degrees south and 0 degrees west and is located on the bottom of the earth.
How about the population and people, children?
Population of Antarctica is very interesting because the climate there, the population can go from 1,000 to 5,000. Depending on how many scientists, military members, and government workers are there throughout most of the residents are employed by the government or the science industry. There have been 9 children born there as of the year 2009. There are no schools for them to attend. Antarctica does not have a place for tourists, but they usually only stay for one day.
Well, thank you, Ethan, for your information about Antarctica. Any more you'd like to say?
If you want to look at the map real quickly, you can see my legend, and you can just look at it for a moment. And
I'll see all the different rock formations and ice sheets and ice shelf.
thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Thank you.